Welcome to our channel. Today we bring a new product, the unboxing video of MeLE Quieter 4C Mini PC. The Quieter 4C is designed to be compact and exquisite, with simple lines and elegant tones that blend seamlessly into any environment. Look at this clear and concise packaging design. It's really eye-catching. Here is the product model and some basic information. Let's unbox it. Quick Start Guide. Quieter 4C Mini PC. VESA-mounted bracket. Silicone cooling pad for SSD. Screws for the VESA-mounted bracket. The plug of the power adapter. Power adapter. The Quick Start Guide provides you with the necessary knowledge for the correct usage of the product, and important precautions to note. The design of Quieter 4C is very compact and exquisite. In front of it is a power button. Quieter 4C has multiple USB ports, including 3 USB Type-A ports, 2 with a transfer speed of 10 gigabits per second, and 1 with a transfer speed of 480 megabits per second. A full-function USB Type-C port that supports DisplayPort 1.4 mode, power input, and 10 gigabits per second data transfer speed. Quieter 4C has a 3.5mm audio port that can be connected to headphones or speakers, and a micro SD card slot that supports up to 2 TB micro SD cards, making it convenient to expand storage space. It is equipped with 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, support ultra-high definition display of 4K at 60 Hz. So Quieter 4C can connect 3 monitors at the same time, enhancing your work efficiency. It also includes a USB Type-C power adapter port that supports 12V/2A power input, and a gigabit Ethernet port that supports auto power on, PXE network booting, and wake on LAN functionality. The power consumption of the power adapter is 24 watt. The Quieter 4C's power consumption is extremely low, meaning it can not only save your electricity bill but also be environmentally friendly. A bag of screws, used to secure the VESA-mounted bracket. The silicone cooling pad is placed on top of the SSD to lower the temperature. The VESA-mounted bracket can fix the mini PC on the back of the monitor. However, the real highlight of the Quieter 4C lies in its internal performance. Finally, it's worth mentioning that the Quieter 4C adopts a fanless design. This not only further reduces noise but also reduces the accumulation of dust and pollutants, thereby extending the product's lifespan. In summary, the MeLE Quieter Mini PC is a high-performance product that combines compactness, silence, low power consumption. If you are looking for a mini PC that can meet your daily needs and create a quiet working environment for you, then the Quieter 4C is undoubtedly your ideal choice.